Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students and viewers. In this class we will cover the part 6 and subpart A of question number 2 of section B, which is related to the 10th class math paper 2025 solution. And this paper is belong to the Federal Board Education System. So here is the first part of part 6 of question 2. 4 parenthesis start 2 raised to power 2x plus 1 parenthesis close minus 9 into parenthesis star 2 raised to power x parenthesis close plus 1 is equal to 0. I have labeled this with equation number 1 solution. Now I am going to split this factor 4 parenthesis star 2 raised to power 2x into 2 raised to power 1 minus 9 parenthesis start into 2 raised to power 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now taking out this 2 and multiply by 4 we will get 8 into 2 raised to power x minus square, because here is 2x, so I will take up 2 minus 9 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Let y is equal to 2 raised to power x, then 8yx y square minus 9y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now I am going to solve this quadratic equation with the help of factorization. 8y square multiplied by 1 we will get 8y square. Now you have two factors in such a way that when you multiply it you will get 8y square positive, and when you will add up we will get minus 9y. So 8y square minus 8y minus y, when you multiply minus 8y with minus y you will get 8y square with positive sign, and when you will add this minus 8y minus y you will get minus 9y. So taking out 8y as a common factor from this, so 8y parenthesis start y minus 1 I have taken minus 1 common from these two elements of the equations, y minus 1 to keep element within the parenthesis same. 8y minus 1 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. 8y minus 1 is equal to 0. Y minus 1 is equal to 0. 8y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 by 8 and y is equal to 1. Now when y is equal to 1, then 2x raised to power 1 is equal to 2x, and a little bit mistake, 2x is equal to 1. When y is equal to 1, so 2 raised to power x is equal to 1, 2 raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 0. We know that any factor which has power 0 is equal to 1. So base is same on both sides, so x is equal to 0. Now put the value of x in 1. We will get y parenthesis start 2 into 2 raised to power 2 into x is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 minus 9 2 raised to power 0 plus 1, and this is equal to 0 plus 1 2, 4 into 2 minus 9 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. 8 minus 9 plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, 0. It means our question is correct. Solution said. Now y is equal to 1 by 8. 2 raised to power x is equal to 1 by 8. 2 raised to power x is equal to 1 by 2 raised to power cube, and 2x is equal to 2 raised to power minus 3, and base is same, x is equal to minus 3. Verification, again put the value of x in equation 1, we will get this y into parenthesis start 2 raised to power 2 minus 3 plus 1 minus 9 into 2 raised to power minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. 4 into parenthesis start 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus 1 minus 9 by 2 by 3 as the sign is negative, so we will bring it to the denominator with positive sign. Plus 1 is equal to 0. 4 by 2 raised to power 5 minus 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. Then 2 5 is here. 4 minus 2 3, 5 minus 3, 2 raised to power 2 plus 2 raised to power 5 is equal to 0. 4 minus 36 plus 32 is equal to 0 divided by 25, and 36 minus 36 by 25 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Now we move to the B part of the part 6. 2x minus 1 x minus divided by x plus 2 raised to power 2 into x minus 3. We have to find the partial fraction, so 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 raised to power 2 divided into x minus 3 is equal to a divided by x plus 2 plus b over x plus 2 raised to power 2 plus c over x minus 3. We call it equation A. Now taking LCM of right hand side of the equation, x plus 2 whole square x minus 3. Now come to the here, x plus 2 as x plus 2 is cancelled by x plus power 2, only 1 is remaining, x minus 3 plus b into x minus 3 plus c into x plus 2 whole square. Now expanding it, x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6x, bx minus 3b plus c into x square plus 4x plus 4x plus whole square into x minus 3. 4 come to this 4, sorry, a plus e, I have taken common out, ax square minus cx square, a plus x square, a plus c is the coefficient of x here again, minus a plus b and 4c. So this minus is basically attached with this a plus 4b plus 4c into x plus into minus 6a minus 3b plus 4c x plus whole square x minus 3. By comparing coefficient a plus c is equal to 0 because there is no element x square on the left hand side of the equations. Minus a plus b plus 4c is equal to 2, called it equation 2. Minus 6a minus 3 plus 4c is equal to minus 1, called it equation 3. By adding 2 and 3 we will get minus a plus b plus 4c is equal to 2 minus 6a minus 3b plus 4c. Not adding, sorry, subtracting. Subtracting 2 and 3. When we subtract, sign will be changed, negative become positive, positive become negative. So minus turns into positive, minus turns into positive, positive turns into negative. 5a plus 4b and 4c is cancelled by minus 4c is equal to minus 1 turns into plus, so is equal to 3. Multiplying question 1 by 4 and subtract from 2, minus a plus b plus 4c is equal to 2, minus 4a plus 0b as there is no element of b plus 4c is equal to 0, and this positive turn into minus and plus into negative, minus 5a plus b is equal to 2. By adding 4 and 5, 5a plus 4b is equal to 3, minus 5a plus b is equal to 2, 5b is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. By putting value of b in equation 5, minus 5a plus 1 is equal to 2, minus 5a is equal to 2 minus 1, and minus 5a is equal to 1 and a is equal to minus 5. Now put value of a in equation 1, minus 1 by 5 plus c is equal to 0, c is equal to 1 by 5. By putting value of a, b and c in 1, minus 1 by 5x plus 2 plus 1 divided by x plus 2 whole square plus 1 by 5x minus 3 verification. Taking LCM of both sides, 5 into x plus 2 whole square into x minus 3 minus x plus 2 x minus 3 plus 5x minus 3 plus x minus 2 whole square, x square minus 3x plus 2x plus 5x minus 15 plus x square plus 4x plus 4 minus x square minus x minus 6 5x minus 15 x square plus 4x plus 4 divided by 5 into x plus 2 whole square into x minus 3. Look at this, minus x square is cancelled out by x square, minus x square plus x plus 6 plus 5x minus 15 x square plus 4x plus 4. This is cancelled by this 5x okay. 5x plus 9x plus x 10x and 15 plus minus 15 plus 10 minus 5. 10x minus 5, 5 into x plus 2 whole square x minus 3, taken 5 common out of the numerator, 2x minus 1 and 5 is cancelled by 5, thus 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 whole square x minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 whole square x minus 3. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. The marks calculated values of A, B and C are correct. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section or mail me.